I'd rather be alone tonight. You could say I love you through the phone tonight. Really don't wanna be.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Valencia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If some of you may remember, a few months ago I introduced to you a new hair care range that was basically new to me and my entire hair regime. I introduced to you guys Mycro Keratin. So a few months ago I vlogged about these products and I showed you guys how I included this in my hair care and how I even did the actual Mycro Keratin treatment. Well, I'm here today to introduce to you guys two new products that has been newly launched within the Madam Madam range of Mycro Keratin. Alright, so let's get straight into it. The first product I'm going to introduce to you guys is the mask from the Madam Madam range. This is the Extreme Capsule mask and it is a repair and hydrating mask. And I'm going to open it and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So you will see within the cream of this mask blue beads, and that is the capsule within this treatment. So these capsules within the mask contains keratin, essential oils, vitamins, all of the goodness that your hair actually needs to treat it. So what happens is when you rub this into your hands and onto your hair, the capsules burst and give off all of this goodness into the hair. So it's a very intense treatment that basically works deep within the hair cortex. And the next product I'm going to be showing you guys is the Liquid Gold Serum. So this is the intensive smoothing and repair oil. Some of you may remember from my previous vlog a serum spray that looks like this. It's finished now. So this was the Corexer Split Ends Repair and Shine Serum Spray. So it's sort of a liquid form and you just sprayed it onto the hair, whereas the new Liquid Gold is a lot more of a thicker texture. It does say it's for all hair types, but I would say for people who have sort of fine hair, thin hair, I would not use as much as a person with my hair. So don't basically measure it to what I would use on my hair. You should just use your discretion and then just be a little cautious as to how many pumps you actually use when you are using this product. So as you can see, my hair is already set. I washed my hair and used the treatment last night and then I set it straight after. But I'm going to run through the steps really quickly to show you how I incorporated these two new products in my shampooing regime or my hair regime. So I firstly started off with the normal Madam Madam shampoo, which is the smoothing shampoo. This one right here. I gave myself two thorough shampoos, rinsed it out thoroughly, towel dried my hair, then went in with the Extreme Capsule. For me, when I use a treatment at least once a week, I eliminate the conditioner and I just add in the mask. Okay, it still does what the conditioner does, but even more intensely. So I went into that. I kept it on for about 10 minutes in a cling and I put a hot towel over that, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that at home as well. When I rinsed that thoroughly, towel dried my hair again and put a few pumps of their Liquid Gold Serum into my hair from mid-lengths to ends. So after I apply the mask onto the entire hair, I put it up and cling it with some cling wrap like so. I then take a hot towel and basically wrap my hair or wrap over the cling with a hot towel like so, and then I keep this on for 10 minutes. So just let the heat allow for all of the ingredients to penetrate better and deeper within the hair. Alright, so on this damp section right over here, I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply the mask on. You can do it section by section, or if you feel like that's too much for you, you can just run it through your hair when everything is open. So I'm taking some here. You can see the capsules are in there, and once you begin to rub it in, the capsules disappear, so it basically bursts and sends through all of those ingredients into the rest of the mask. So I just rub it in, sort of twist it into the hair, especially when I take sort of bigger sections. It's much more easier. And then I take everything up, roll it up, clip it, and that's when I cling and put the hot towel. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to actually blow dry this area and set it with the Mycro iron, and then you can just see how much of a difference it makes when you're trying to set your hair. For me, it cuts your setting time to like half the time. It's much faster and much more easier. The nice thing about the liquid gold, you can use it two ways. You can use it on your hair when it's damp, or after you've set everything and it's dry, you can use it to just basically calm down all of the flyaways and just make it a lot more smoother. I usually separate my entire hair into 4 sections when it's damp just before I put my liquid gold in. So for each 4 sections, I just do 1 pump. This is a very small section, so I'm not going to pump too much, and I'm not going to apply too much on this area, because then it will also get very oily very quickly. Make sure you want to coat the ends well, and I also, this one, stay away from the roots. It's more of lower mid-lengths to ends. So now that this part of the hair is all blowed out and dried, I'm just going to section it and show you guys how I use the Mycro iron, just so that you can see the full effect of this treatment. And there you have the complete look, or the complete set, and you can see how smooth and sleek the hair is. It's got a lot more shine, a lot more smoother, and then to just get rid of those flyaways and to get rid of any more frizziness, I take the liquid gold serum, just do like half a pump, not a full pump, rub it into the palms of my hands, warm it up, and then just rub it into, or run my fingers into the mid-lengths to ends, even on the inside. And then what's left in my hands, I just sort of gently rub it at the top to get rid of the flyaways. Get everything in there, even on the ends, because usually that's the area that dries up the fastest, especially when you're putting heat into your hair. And there you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial where I introduced to you the new Mycro Keratin products and just showed you how you can use this at home. It's pretty easy, really simple. If you want to find out which salons near you are the stockers of Mycro Keratin, all you have to do is go and visit Mycro Keratin on Instagram. I'm going to put their tag here down below. Go check them out and find out where they stock their products. And it will be as easy and as simple as that. But before you leave, make sure you subscribe by clicking the subscription button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, only if you really enjoyed it. Even leave a comment if you want to find out anything about my hair care regime or about more products. You can leave a comment down below. Tell a friend about my channel, and also make your way to my Instagram page and click on that follow button.